Well, I just spoke with the homeowner, and she came out. I really didn't have any right to come on and take these pictures. Yeah?
Stump grinding and seal coating. I left a message, I couldn't help myself.
Leonard, stump grinding and seal coating. Well, they should stay in the stump grinding business because...
Look at these. I left a message, I couldn't help myself. I said, you know, there are actually people trying to make a living seal coating, and what you're doing with your work is absolutely appalling. So you're really giving the business a bad name. You should take a good look at your work here in air, and you should be watching YouTube videos or something. But this is ridiculous, and I can't believe you got paid for these jobs.
Wow, that's a long one too.
Look at, no, you're not even gonna, look at that. I expect to get a call back, I'm sure, but I was like, I can't even not say something. You gotta be kidding me with this. An inexperienced homeowner would do a better job with their own driveway than this. It's crazy. Look at the cracks.
This is horrible.
Look at that fucking shit. They sprayed all the way out into the street.
Don't clean the cracks.
They don't sweep the sand off the driveway. They don't clean the cracks. They don't weed whack. They don't edge. They don't...
Look at the dirt. They go right over the freaking dirt.
Yeah, they go right over the dirt. They didn't even... Look at the edge here. They didn't even go to the edge. They didn't even seal coat it. Who paid for this? Because they got ripped off. And I would be the first one to go to the Better Business Bureau and be like, hey, this company needs like a...
Well,
something.
it's not our place to say, but maybe I can expose them for what they do.
Yeah, this is not... I mean, there are some jobs that are bad. This is fucking terrible. They are ripping people off. Look at the corner. What is that? Look. They just went over the dirt. They didn't bother blowing the sand off.
They didn't clean out the cracks. They seal coated right over the grass.
The grass.
Wow.
Fucking grass. Yeah, that was like...
That's horrible. Yeah, people like this give people like us a bad name.
You know,
it's horrible.
Like, wow, they did such a terrible job. I'm never gonna get another job. That was terrible.
Yeah. Shame on you, Leonard Seal Coating. You should stick with stump grinding.
What did that lady say?
No, this is the first chance she had to look at it, and she's going, "Do you have a card?" And I don't want to get in the middle of it.
I would.
And then I said, "There's nothing really I can do," but I told her to tell them to get back and clean this.
Look at that. You should print a thing up for people with terrible driveways, like an info sheet that, look, don't have to say who you are, but stick the thing on the freaking door and be like, you just got ripped off. Here, call this number.
Look at these.
Complain, tell them to come back and fix their fucking work.
Look at these cracks.
What was the point of crack sealing if they didn't get it in the crack?
Wow. This is the worst job I've ever seen.
Look at down there. They didn't blow anything off. They just right over it. Right over twigs and anything in the driveway.
Well, we got no place to, can't just come on the guy's property without permission, but couldn't resist. Just had to expose this crap that's going on out here. Yeah. Horrible, horrible work. Shame on them.
I wonder if maybe they gave him a discount, fucking neighborhood discount or something.
They must have, so he gets to screw a bunch of people at the same time. Yeah.
I would put that on the website.
Yeah. That's horrible. Well, word to the wise. Know who you're doing business with.
I wonder how much they fucking robbed this guy for.
Yeah, that's a big one.
And look at the sand. I can't believe they don't even bother to blow the sand up. They don't know any better. Sounds like... I swear to God, I know stump grinding. I see the fucking signs out everywhere. It's like yellow signs. It says Leonard stump grinding. So they just decided, hey, you know what's quick and easy money? Seal coating. And they don't know anything about it. They just freaking bought a cheap. I don't even know. I want to catch them doing it so I can see what equipment they're using.
Yeah, well, they're obviously spraying.
They must have a tiny little
So they've
something.
they spent the money on some spraying equipment. Now on this edge, they've got, at least it's kind of a neat line, even though they went over dirt. So this end they didn't spray. That one down there they did.
They must have a crew, a bigger crew, with 2 different people, 3 different, 4 different people doing work.
In this end of the driveway, they sprayed over out into it without making a straight line, right over the grass. So I don't know if they had 2 different people. One started at one end, one started at the other. They both met in the middle. And
I wonder if they have little handheld freaking spray things that they use.
wow, that's brutal. Ah, but it's a nice day. Time for me to get back to work. Left criticizing other people and their horrible workmanship. Oh, here's one more driveway they did. I'm gonna check this one out. Oh, these poor people. Footprints all over the place. Sprayed over the dirt. Wow. Footprints all over the place. They didn't edge this either. Wow. This is horrible. Horrible. Sorry, Leonard Sealcoating. Don't mean to throw you under the bus, but this is horrible workmanship, and it makes legitimate seal coating companies look bad. If the other, in case they suspect all companies perform work like this. Shame on you.